hello, hi, or how do you do? Mastering formal and informal greetings in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on telephone and video call etiquette. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that might seem simple but is incredibly crucial: formal and informal greetings. Understanding when and how to use these different forms of greetings can help you make a great impression on anyone you're communicating with. Formal greetings are typically used in professional settings or with people who we don't know very well. They're a way to show respect and create a polite, professional atmosphere. Examples of formal greetings you might use on a phone or video call include: good morning, afternoon, evening. How do you do? It's nice to meet you. Remember, with formal greetings, tone of voice and clarity are crucial. Speak clearly, and remember to maintain a respectful, professional tone. Informal greetings, on the other hand, are used with people we know well or in more casual settings. They allow for a more relaxed, personal tone. Examples of informal greetings include: hi, hello, hey, what's up? When using informal greetings, familiarity and comfort are key. It's okay to be more relaxed and casual with your language. The appropriateness of formal or informal greetings can also be influenced by cultural norms and expectations. In some cultures, it's common to be more formal, even with friends and family. In others, people may be more informal even in professional settings. It's important to be aware of and respect these cultural differences. And that wraps up our lesson on formal and informal greetings in English. We hope you found this useful and are now more comfortable in knowing when and how to use these greetings in your telephone and video calls. Remember, the key to mastering greetings is practice. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. See you in our next lesson.